And unfortunately, we Muslims, we are very poor. We are miskeen when it comes to the media. What we print, one color job, two color job, Islamic voice. And what we Muslims, we print 80,000, 100,000 peanuts. Unfortunately, we Muslims, we are very backward as far as media is concerned. Wallah, we are very backward as far as media is concerned. And Alhamdulillah, the Islamic Research Foundation, it has taken the initiative to print books. The Quran and Modern Science, the Concept of God in Major World Religions, the Misconceptions about Islam. All these books, they are printed. Maybe it may have reached 1 million copies, but yet it is peanuts as compared to the Christian missionaries. And we have the example of Jimmy Swaggart. You might have heard the person Jimmy Swaggart. He was the greatest tele-evangelist of his time. How much was his budget? His annual budget was $400 million. He required $1 million a day to keep his head above water. I doubt how many Muslim organizations, how many Islamic organizations have $1 million monthly budget. I don't know of any. And we have the example of Sheikh Ahmad Deedat. He was only educated till 6th grade. Yet, he took the entire Christendom single-handedly. Our one Sheikh Ahmad Deedat was sufficient for the entire Christianity. Unfortunately, the budget that he had, it was very small. And they had special organizations. They had full wings doing research on Sheikh Ahmad Deedat, how to defeat him, how to attack him.